Hello there, guys. What is up?
Hello.
We're back with another vlog. Today we're gonna be going to a restaurant. I forgot what it's called. We should have probably asked Mom before we recorded this.
Yeah. But
So I think we'll maybe do a food review on that, and then we also are going to Anderson Farms in Erie, Colorado.
Yep.
I'm excited.
Yeah, but we didn't get the what is it? The
Tear in the corn.
The tear in the corn.
We might do that if
tickets?
they have tickets there.
Yeah.
But if they don't, then
We're cooked.
then we're not gonna do it. But we're gonna show off Anderson Farms.
We'll probably go in the normal corn maze.
Yeah, probably, because that's come
Do
to
the
mission.
tricycle race, whatever.
Yeah, the tricycle race. Maybe she'll ride a pony or something.
Ride a little pony.
Maybe we'll go check out the pumpkins if it's
Yeah.
even open at night when we get
I
there.
don't know.
So we're going to eat. Let's see. I can't see on the map where we're going to eat. It doesn't say.
It doesn't say yet, but it'll probably be good. I know they have like burgers there. So.
Yeah, it looked good on the website, on their website. So
Yeah.
we will see you guys when we're there. So yeah.
Bye.
I thought you didn't bring it
Hello there, guys. I don't have my mics on right now, but
Look at it with your good eyes.
I don't have my. Ray Ray, I'm doing the vlog. Do you want to be in it? Okay, hold on.
Okay, watch out.
Oh boy, these things are like freaking wobbling.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Guys, look.
No, don't.
Ooh, that's creepy, Vincent.
He's vlogging. Be careful, it's slippery.
Oh, it's like.
Look over there. Sucks for us, doesn't it?
We're so getting lost. We're never.
Oh,
gonna
there's a
make
whole nother maze over here.
it. Okay. Anyways, yeah, we're getting lost. Remember, just walk west. Just walk west. That's what you need to do. That's what you need to do. You just need to walk west.
Look over there. Whoa, yeah, let's go over there. Okay. Here we go. Need him.
By the way, guys, you guys probably can't see me.
Even though we're not the scary one. Guys, imagine they say that.
Anyways.
No.
You guys, if we get lost, I am starting a thingy on my watch, just in case. Where it's like kind of like a trail type thing. You guys probably can't see me, but
Right here.
wait, guys, I'm gonna scare Charlie.
Remember that one time when I got scared by one at Hill Farm and I like
No. Oh heck no! I hear the chainsaw. It's corn!
it's hard.
A big lump of nuts! We're lost. We're lost.
You like horror movies?
Yeah, I do. I watched the Conjuring.
Oh,
It
what
was
you
good.
think?
I liked
lost.
it. The
We're
plot,
lost,
I thought
chat.
the plot was really good.
Yeah. That sounds like a guy that could walk like backwards down at the end of there.
Since it has no food.
Because he has X-ray vision.
We're out. Okay, you guys. We actually weren't supposed to go out that way, but we didn't care. Really, we didn't care. So. We did it! Yippee! Oh yeah, I have a sticker. Ah. Hey guys, we're going to do zombie paintball. Yeah.
If you guys sit down, please do not touch or shoot a gun. If you guys touch or shoot a gun, I have to kick you off just because it's part of our policy because somebody decided to shoot their hand last weekend and I don't want to fill out paperwork.
I'm excited.
Me too. Oh, look at the zombie. Hi, zombie.
Thank you.
Party, everybody.